Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah and Max, and we are back with another Wi-Fi router unboxing video. This time we are unboxing TP-Link's AX1800 dual band Wi-Fi 6 router, otherwise known as, Max, you want to tell them? The AX21. Definitely not the same as the BE550 in terms of packaging. That one was all white, really packaged super beautifully. I definitely compared it to unboxing an Apple product. So for the sake of this video, I will read the package contents because this is an unboxing. We are supposed to have a wireless router, Archer AX21. Obviously, that would be kind of a problem if that wasn't in the box. A power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going and see what we got in here. All right, so immediate thoughts when pulling this stuff out of the box, it's definitely not packaged as nice as the BE550 or even the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. You can see everything's kind of just thrown in here. So we have the power adapter, super simple. Let's see, we have the Ethernet cable, just a simple white one that's tied up nicely. We have the star of the show, the AX21. So let me go ahead and pull it out of its plastic here. So something that I do like about these routers that have the physical antennas is that they do fold up nicely, so they're a lot more compact. So it kind of makes boxing a little bit easier, but obviously when it is operating and connected to your Wi-Fi and you're using it, you want them to be standing vertically like so. Yes, it does look like an alien spaceship, but if you're into Star Trek or Star Wars, you might be into that a little bit. They have, like advertised on the front, full gigabit ports, which is nice, so that's right on the back. And again, you can look at the guide that's on the side of this box for reference. And ooh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Watch, ready? Shiny. Look at how pretty that is. She's glistening. Something I will say that I liked about the BE550 was while it was thicker, it was narrower when you could stand it up vertically so it could fit into smaller spaces, whereas with the AX21 you have to kind of set it flat and it takes up a little bit more space. But not terrible. It's not crazy large. It's definitely not the smallest router I've worked with, but we'll make do. I have a large entertainment center. So all in all, everything was in the box: the power adapter, the Ethernet cable, the installation guide, and obviously the star of the show, the AX21. I'm really excited to give this guy a try, and yeah, look for my review video soon.